Walgreens, America's largest drugstore chain, reported earnings for their first quarter of 2015 and beat Wall Street's estimates. Let's quickly look at the numbers. Adjusted earnings of 81 cents was 6 cents higher than Wall Street's estimates and 9 cents above last year's first quarter. Sales came in roughly on target with estimates at $19.6 billion compared to last year's $18.3 billion. Walgreens was able to beat the overall retail market in year-over-year sales growth heading into this holiday season. On December 29th, Walgreens will hold a vote in New York City on the second step of their merger with Alliance Boots, the multinational pharmacy-led health and beauty group. The voting will be on the potential for a holding company reorganization and the issuance of Walgreens Boots Alliance shares. The current CEO, Greg Wasson, will be stepping down from his role shortly after the completion of the merger. Shares of Walgreens are up just over 30% for the year. I'm Whalen MacHale reporting for TheStreet from New York.